There, went to the scrapyard for the first time of 2011. That was completely wrong. 2012. There was a bin of chainsaws and whippersnippers and bits, and I picked the best bits out of it. I gave a Atco catcher, I got an Atco catcher for Jared, and he took it round there. But I found a few old chainsaws. I'll probably go back and get more tomorrow. But this one is probably a keeper. It's an old McCulloch chainsaw. The big home light beside me here. Well, there's a Mark 20. Show you the size of it. And I got another Pioneer. Well, it's only $10, and I brought it to probably part out. So I got two more here. So it's really probably only parts to make up either two or one, or probably two. Probably get two out of it. Two out of the three. Chainsaws, keep one and sell the what's left of the other one, and another good one, I hope. I should get into that. So yeah, so it's a Pioneer NU17, a McCulloch, a home light, and I'll turn the camera off and see if I can get them going. So, see you in a sec. I'm working here on the McCulloch. The first thing I always check with anything I get into the shed, whether it's got spark. Otherwise you may as well put it down and not worry about it until I build my own winding lathe. A vintage coil in Tasmania to get rewound is apparently rather cheap. It's $70. But you have to deliver it to the bloke that rewinds it yourself, and he's a good 45-minute drive away. Which isn't that far, but when it's in the opposite direction where you usually want to go, it's a bit of a pain in the arse. But see if I can show you the spark. There we are. So the next test is carby. After much trouble, gee, how that's wet. Jesus. And a carby clean. The cake runs. I'll try and show you if I've got enough breath to pull it over. My God, that thing. Well, I can't use the explosive I want to call it. It's hard to start. Come on. Oh, Jesus, I'm shitting this shit. Oh, come on. Start. You did it a second ago. Oh, I'm too stuffed to pull it. It's probably out of fuel, but see, yeah, she's bone dry. But an hour's work, $10 in the scrapyard. We have a running vintage McCulloch. Now, I was going to try and get the home light going, which I think also has spark, but I'm stuffed. I'm going to have a drink, a shower, and I'll go to bed. I think it's so hard to start. Anyway, there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoy. Bloody hell.